Welcome to one of the wildest parts of Australia.
We're here experiencing one of the oldest living cultures in the entire world, where one of the main food sources is kangaroo. And I can't think of anything more Australian than heading out into the bush, catching and cooking a kangaroo, which could be on the cards today.
Mate, it seems anything is possible out here. So guys at home, subscribe to the channel and join us for the adventure.
This is going to be a good one.
Yeah, got him. Go.
The daily menu here is determined by what you can hunt and gather, and the catching and cooking aspect isn't so much a hobby as it is a necessity for survival. Oh, right. Welcome to Australia. Kangaroo catch and cook coming up. It's pretty amazing what's happening here this morning. All the mullet are right in shallow on this sandbank here, but as the tide is coming in, the bigger predators are coming out of the deeps and actually coming right into the shallows to try and get the mullet. We've seen huge Queensland groper that are coming in. There's also schools of mangrove jack, so we've got all sorts of weapons. We've got hand spears, we've got fishing rods. Az and I are going to go out and see if we can get a bit of brekkie. Well, first, no, we've got to cross again. Straight across. Yeah, and then onto that bank. Yeah. Just have a good look for that croc, mate. Ooh, wonder if that was Jack spooking. Mate, it is alive this morning, eh? Oh, nice, man. Nice fish.
I love it when a plan comes together. How we just saw them from the eagle eye view, all working on the edge of that bait. It's a beautiful mangrove jack.
Nice fish, bro.
Thanks, man.
That was awesome.
Yeah. But we just got here, so let's back ourselves to get another one.
Oh man, that's brekkie.
Let's get another one.
All right.
We're gonna have to.
Alrighty, it seems like this is the hot spot right here. Try my luck. Oh, straight away. First cast as well, as this is red hot at the moment, mate. Not as big as what Az just, oh, that was bigger. Only a little tacker this one, but isn't that awesome, eh? Look at that, a beautiful mangrove jack. I think there's a pretty happy family of jacks living over there. All right, mate, I'm gonna go for a bigger one. Let you go. Phew. Oh, that's better.
Oh, that's a good fish.
It's a very good fish,
I know,
mate.
I just gotta get it away from these rocks.
Oh, come on, turn him.
I know.
Turn him.
Come on, bud.
Mate, pretty as soon as that hit the water,
Yeah,
eh?
second
Like,
cast, first cast mangrove jack, second cast, whatever this is, it's definitely a bigger fish.
Isn't it?
Oh, I just gotta get it over this sandbar past the Queensland groper.
There's a few big ropers that'll want to go all that maybe, mate.
Come on, bud. No, come on.
Fish on here, Benny!
Fish on, Benny!
Big one! Oh, nice, man.
Oh, I know.
You got any hopes what you're hoping it is, mate? Or any...
Oh, I just hope it's a big mangrove jack or a nice size edible fish.
Something
anyway,
big.
because I don't know, you always second guess yourself when you've got no food and you let a fish go. So,
this could be karma.
yeah.
The good karma.
Yeah. It's just coming over the edge of that sandbar. Oh, there's so much life.
There is fish getting chased everywhere we look here. Over every sandbank, there's mullet getting chased. This fish should be, we should be able to see him soon, mate.
It could be a good cod. Trevally maybe? Oh, it's a, what is it?
Trevally,
I guess
eh?
it's just a really nice trevally.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice fish, mate.
Yeah, cheers. Bit of work on light gear. Come on, bud.
Hey, nice one, mate. 2 casts, 2 fish, eh?
That's unbelievable. There's so much life in the mouth of this creek.
Nice.
Beautiful giant trevally. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to make sure we keep one.
Yeah.
We've got a few mouths to feed here at camp, so
Yeah,
I'll go put this up on the.
He's brekkie already.
Yeah, I'll put him to sleep, put him on the sand, and we'll keep fishing. Have breakfast.
Nice work, mate. No way! Oh, he's quick. Oh, you. Oh, mud crab. That was lucky. This one's got no nippers. It must have lost him in a fight because she was quick for me then. She would have got me. But it is all happening here as mud crab. I'm gonna let her go. Off she goes. She's gonna go a lucky dip. Oh, hit straight away. As this is amazing what's going on here at the moment, mate. It is red hot. I think all those jacks are off the bank now. Wonder if they're still here. Oh, yep. Oh, this thing's heavy, mate. This was up where those Queensland groper were. Oh, this thing's really heavy. I don't think it's realised he's hooked yet. Oh no. This one might be too big for... Oh, I don't know.
Would it just whack you?
Oh no, he's right next to that rock. No.
It's taking so much.
No, man. That was just far too big for what we were kitted out for.
I couldn't have done anything differently, mate.
Nah.
That was a big fish. Bugger.
Bugger, man. It's cool to see though.
Yeah.
What does it feel like, mate?
It started off strong and now he's lost a bit of steam.
Hey, new species for the morning?
Yeah, very ambitious gold spot cod. It's a little snack size, but not for us. See you, bud. Wait.
Yeah, it's a strong fish, this thing. I've got the drag cranked right up from the start now, so no more Mr. Nice Guy. Oh, what is it there?
Oh, it's a great cod.
The cod, is it?
Yeah.
Might be breakfast, that one, mate. Ooh. How good the variety of species are. You're just not quite sure what you're going to pull in.
Every cast is different.
What a beauty, man. I reckon this bloke is coming home for a breakfast cook-up. That's a beautiful eating size, eh?
Yeah.
Black spot estuary cod. That's why it's a horrible place to be a little mullet at the moment. There's some gnarly predators down there. What do you think that is, mate?
I've got no idea, but the lure barely hit the surface. It's like that tide's turned and everything's got a ravenous hunger. Oh, it could be a jack. Yeah, it's a really nice jack.
Nice, mate. It's a really nice one. Surface feeding jack.
Oh my God, surface jack, hungry jack. Hungry jacks.
Oh.
Oh.
That is a beauty, mate. Oh, he's a whopper.
Oh my
He is
God.
a beauty.
Oh.
Mate, well done.
East Arnhem Land Mangrove Jack. What a fish. This was sort of one of the bigger ones sitting out in the pack this morning we saw on the drone.
Nice, man. We're having a feast this morning.
That is such a good fish. What do you reckon, Nath? This one's coming home?
Cool.
Nate's been here his whole life. He reckons this is one of the biggest he's ever seen. Top five, all right.
You say that to everyone. Poor bugger. Oh, look at him sitting there. That's cool, eh? We get some cool species, guys. Bit of variety. Look at that. So well camouflaged, hey? I'll get this hook out for you, mate. Probably a little bit small for us, eh, mate? But it's
We've got enough fish. Hey,
amazing to see, eh?
such clean water. Hey, bud. We've come inland now. We're taking a walk through the bush with the fellas to see if we can find some local bush tucker, in particular liquid gold. Supposedly there's native honey through this area and they can be in any different tree, but the quality of the honey depends on which tree it is. So we're taking a walk through and it's quite impressive to see Nath and Chris and Dan, how this just is honestly their backyard for them. You know, they're walking through, they know absolutely every tree. It's impressive to watch. So see if we can find some tucker to go with seafood for lunch. Some of the trees will have a hollow in them that the native bees are living in. There's some very small little black coloured bees that have just snuck back into this one. Dan's given it a bit of a tap to see if they come out. Dan's just putting his head inside the tree to see if he can either see them or hear the bees, because I don't want to cut it down without being sure that there's some liquid gold inside.
Yiricha bees. You're not happy? Yeah, the Yiricha.
We cut open the center of this hardwood tree and inside it's full of bees, so hopefully, well, say there'd be honey. You can see them if you look really closely. You'll see them right up in the center here. They look pretty damn happy, full of sugar. See if we can get a feed of honey for ourselves, or if they're willing to share. Apparently there's two different types of bees. One fairly aggressive, and the other one's friendly. These are a bit friendly. Hope so.
We'll see how friendly they are with it.
Yes, yeah.
That's the honey.
Try it. Are you good?
Dona, dale, mira.
Yeah.
Honey. Wait, Mark.
Yeah, do it.
Right there is honey in pot.
That there is what we're after, liquid gold in the bush. A big sponge of native honey.
Yeah, that's the good stuff.
That's like no honey I've ever eaten before. That's honestly the best honey I've ever had in my whole life.
Yeah.
Mijn maat.
That's incredible. Mine mark. Wow, that is like extra strong honey. I'd share with you guys, but I've been licking my hand.
Doe nog met je.
You reckon?
Oh mate, how good's that?
That's incredible.
Amazing, isn't it?
Tastes like the sweet flavours of the bush. You'd be getting pollinated by all these unique flowers, yeah?
Garpo, we make garpo with that. Instead of using wire.
Yep.
Or
We call
So strong.
like resin for your spear.
for mouthpiece for Iraqi.
Yep.
So, they do.
Ah, for the mouthpiece.
And all the resin for
All
spears.
resin at the end of
Yeah.
spears, it's strong enough?
Yeah. So it kind of finishes like a waxy part. Yeah. This is
No, you go, mate.
this is Malachi's favourite food.
Really?
He will not leave the tree until every drop of honey is gone.
These trevally at this size, they're actually really good eating. Pretty underrated in a lot of parts of Australia, but up here, the boys love them. There's one fillet, really nice white flesh actually. One of the things we're loving about here is just how the kind of impromptu fires pop up when it's time for a feed. Kind of almost as casually as someone in the city would go and get some takeaway food. The boys just get a fire going, and that kind of means it's lunch or dinner is not too far off. So I've come a fair bit further down the beach than where our camp was set up, because last night that was a bit too close for comfort, how close that crocodile come to our swag. So come down the beach here, so in case he gets any scent of this tonight, there's a bit of a safety barrier between us and him. We're gonna get the flashlights out later and just come and have a look and see if he comes up. We're gonna have a bit of a taste test comparison, the cod versus the trevally. These are gonna be beer battered, while Az has got more of a back to basics type cook up going on there. I think straight on the fire. See which comes out on top.
I'm really looking forward to eating that mangrove jack. Instead of filleting this one, it's a perfect size to put on a stick and put over those hot coals, Pacific Island style. See what the guys reckon. That's the one. My favourite way.
Fair bit of heat there. You want that oil nice and hot. And then this is pretty simple really, but just get your beer batter on. If it makes that noise, if it starts sizzling at you, you know you're on the right track. Trevally, eh? Oh, there's two big trevally coming down the beach here. And Chris is straight onto it. He's actually like sort of waiting in ambush in position. Hopefully he gets a shot at these. So close, so close. The cloud come over at just the wrong time. So close. We're just as we're cooking up here every 5 minutes or so, there's some more fish coming past. One of them is eventually going to be dinner, I reckon. Woohoo, they are looking good. That's what you're going for, I reckon. That crunchy outside. These are going to be delicious.
So sometimes instead of flipping the fish or flipping the mud crab on the fire, if you've got some really nice hardwood coals, I just throw them down into the belly or on the top there, and that'll help cook all the wings and the inside of the fish without having to flip it. Works really well.
Boys, who's taking the W?
I don't know, I think everyone's a winner today, mate. We're having one hell of a feast this afternoon.
Coconuts and fresh fish would have to be a pretty unbeatable lunch. Just about done, eh? One more round.
Yeah, about this, boys. Who wants to try, Nate?
Amazing.
Nate, please, mate.
Thank you, chefs.
Let us know what you reckon.
Chris, go the mangrove jack, brother.
Ooh.
So this one's the trevally and the cod. I hope it's good, fellas, because I know you catch and cook a lot of fish.
What do you think, Chris?
Manma.
Mama.
Just wow.
You enjoy that?
That's all. Just wow.
Mine, mate.
Mama.
Manma. Very nice, fellas. Thank you.
Cheers, man.
Thank you.
I'm so happy to be here.
How do you say cheers in language?
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, cheers. Cheers, boys. Cheers. Oh,
We've just walked into a swamp where there could be kangaroos, wild geese, buffalo, a lot of different bird life. One of the boys has got a shotgun. We're going to see if we can get a kangaroo for a feed. It's quite an active area. You could see in the wet season we wouldn't be able to come in here to be like knee deep with mud. And there's lots of wallows all around me from where feral pigs and buffalo have been digging up here on the edge of the swamp.
Crocodile, you reckon?
The little one, I think.
Would he come and sit here? Reckon that's his lie?
No.
The tail.
The tail.
Yeah, got him. Let's go.
Oh, I got my footage.
Hey, good shot. Good shot, man. Sweet, bro. Good shot. Good professional. Nice. Little male kangaroo.
What's the name for this one in country?
Dalarapa.
Delapar.
How many was there? There was 3?
A couple, yeah.
Two. Nice, boys. We got to cook him?
Yo.
On the fire. That's tucker.
Cooking. Fresh meat.
Fresh meat.
Fresh meat, mate.
Where we're heading. Far out. Welcome to Australia. Kangaroo catch and cook coming up.
Good food.
You guys slow down. We're like, oh,
cook them up.
Bang. Good eating size?
That all happened very quick. We're just on the way back to the beach camp. They said if we see a kangaroo, we're going to shoot it. We'd really like to eat some. Apparently that's a really good eating size. Thanks, bud.
Why do you make the big fires here?
For the animals to come out that area clear.
Oh, okay. So the fire will burn and clear all the area, and then once it grows back, then the animals can come in, and you can hunt the animals there. Okay, okay. What are you doing here, Chris? You're just burning the hair?
Yeah.
So the kangaroo's gone onto the fire and singed the hair off on every part of the body. They pulled it off and then battered it with a branch just to get all that burnt hair off. That roo tail has been completely buried in hot coals. I'm interested to see how long they cook it for. How long you keep there, Dan?
Not for too long.
Not for too long? It cooks very fast. Yeah, a lot of heat.
Heart, liver.
What's this one? The liver? Oh, the heart and the liver. As come here, mate. This is the heart and the liver.
This one here?
Yeah. Where's the knife?
Yeah.
Knife.
Back of the
Medium rare.
Thank you, mate.
Yep.
Kangaroo heart.
Heart.
Thank you, Mr. Kangaroo. That's really tasty.
It's good, eh?
What do you think? Mine
Mine,
My
mate.
muck feels strong.
next one is the liver.
Next one's the liver.
Chris, I'm so impressed. We went from shooting kangaroo to fire to eating heart in like 10 minutes.
Fresh kangaroo.
Fresh one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. Man, that's so good.
Man, mate.
That tastes like lamb.
That doesn't it?
Yeah, it tastes like lamb.
This the kidney,
That's the testicle.
testicles. So
Hey?
Your favourite, Dan? I'll have some more of that lamb liver. Kangaroo lamb liver.
Good one, eh?
Wow.
Very, very good. What's this? This one, the testicles?
Liver.
Liver. Or
Tastes like this one, heart.
tastes like the heart.
Share some testicles, mate. Hog them all.
Very good. I've never eaten this before, boys, so thank you very much. Really good, isn't it? Testicle. Thank you, first time. Never eaten kangaroo.
All never eaten kangaroo, but kangaroo. Third or fourth time testicles. That's really tasty. Yeah. Some of the best meats in the tail, isn't it? Right, that kangaroo is all corded up. The tail there is really, really hot. It's just come off the fire. So we're gonna head back down to the beach, have a snack on that tail, and we'll cook this up later for dinner. Very special experience. Feeling very grateful.
All right, let's see what it tastes like. Kangaroo tail. It's really fatty, but I say that in a good way. Very tasty, very tender. It's like the tail is a little bit like a fattier piece of lamb. That's the closest thing I can describe it to, but it's kind of its own thing. You can see how this would be a really desirable food source in the bush. Great source of protein, iron, and plentiful. We've seen so many kangaroos the last couple of days. I'm still so impressed with how within 30 minutes the gun went off to the root tail being done. And the 5 acre, probably more, bushfire behind us, on the lawn. Very efficient. Here again, Chris, mine mark? Mine mark? Mine mark.
Yeah, boys. Phew. Wait, that must have just landed straight on his head there, eh? Fish on, fish on. We've come down just for probably the last 30 minutes of light for a sunset fish. And there's a few mullet getting chased by what looked like a GT.
Oh, no!
Bugger. And I had him on, but lost him.
Oh, they're here.
They're here. Bugger. Just dropped it. Bit of action anyway, so let's see how we go. Coming up, things start to fire up as we get the full Northern Territory of Australia experience. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next week.